morning, day 4, it's Tuesday. I'm getting an early start today, it's 7:30 and I've set off on my walk to find Skogafoss, which is the big waterfall in the Waterfall National Park, which is where I stayed last night. I've got about a 45-minute walk each way to the waterfall, which again, I'm really happy to be getting a walk in. And the mountains just look incredible, even though it's a bit cloudy. Well, I've just walked 31 minutes in the wrong direction. I thought I was following the path to Skogafoss, but I'm not, but it's fine because I've reached this like glacier, which is still really cool to see. Right, I found the map. I've realised my mistake. I'm on the right path. I'm just 1 hour 4 minutes kind of taken from my day. Didn't need to lose that hour, but it's all good. Everything happens for a reason. Blah 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 blah. Found it! That is really cool. That was worth it. It was worth it. I got drenched. The heavens opened like 5 minutes before I got back. No need! Well, I'm drying off and I've just had some breakfast, so I'm going to hit the road soon. But I've been meaning to talk about some of the things that I've brought with me on the trip because it's my first van trip, and I also got told by so many people how expensive Iceland was, so I wanted to try and keep the costs down. I also wanted to make sure I had enough of everything while I was here so that I could just be off-grid, not having to worry about finding supermarkets and stuff. So some things I've brought with me which could be helpful little tips for anyone doing the same thing is I got some like those mini shampoo bottles that you can fill up, and I've got some olive oil, some honey, I got some salt in a bag. I also bought some butter. I bought a bag of energy bars, breakfast bars, porridge, hot chocolate sachets, and even chocolate, just like snacky things, just to save money and save having to buy like full packs of things. I've just bought little bits. I also brought a lot of these with me, little pasta things, but I don't really like them very much. They're kind of a last resort meal for me. Sometimes the pasta bits stay hard, you get like crunchy bits of pasta in your mouth, which isn't nice. And then the only other thing I bought are these drinks. So these are from Y-Food, and these are ready to drink complete meals. They've got 26 vitamins and minerals in them. They've got fibre, protein, they're gluten-free, lactose-free. So they're literally the perfect thing to have if you either don't have a jet boil or a stove, or if you're just going on a hike and you just want to carry something along that you can easily consume. These are pretty perfect. There's loads of flavours. I've got coconut and vanilla left, but there's coffee, chocolate, banana. So yeah, these are really good, and it's just nice to know that you've got all the nutrients that you need in a drink, because things like the pasta meals or the noodles, there's no nutrition in them. So these have been really handy to have, because it means if I've had really long stretches of road and haven't been able to stop off at a supermarket or anything, then I've got these with me. Oh, I also brought little tea lights, little battery powered tea lights, little ambiance. So those are some tips for #VanLife. Well, I'm at the Renisfiara Black Sand Beach, which has these awesome sea stacks, which you can just about see in the distance. But you can tell I'm getting more south to the popular parts because there are so many people here. I don't know if you can see them in the distance because I've left the area. And what's annoying is they all sit on the, like there's a lot of rocks on that cliffside there. that are like really cool that you can like sit on and get a picture and stuff. And people like sit on them. If you're one of those people that sits like on the photo opportunity, like on the summit for example, or like don't sit on it, get your picture and leave. That's bugged me. Cool place to come. I would just recommend coming very early, maybe even late if it's still light, to avoid the masses. So this is my camp spot for the night. That's Skogafoss! Look at it! It is so epic. So yeah, this is my camp spot. It's probably my favourite one of the whole trip. There's my van. I just can't believe that this is my camping view. Look at that! How cool! That is amazing. So yeah, so good night from me. I've got my iPad playing some movies, I've got a drink, and I've got dinner cooking. So yeah, that's me. Good night. Getting Skogafoss to myself, there is not a single person here, is absolutely just incredible. I'm so happy. So it's 7:41. I have just set off to go and find the Solheimmersander plane wreck, which is an old United States DC plane which supposedly ran out of fuel as it was going over Iceland and crash landed on the beach. Thankfully everyone survived, so it's not too much of a morbid place to go and visit. But yeah, really excited to see this. It's been on the list for a long time. I definitely don't want to go and see it because it was in Justin Bieber's music video. So yeah, I'm excited. Well, that was awesome. Sketchiest thing I've done in a while climbing on top of that plane though. I can see why they kind of tell you not to. So, I've just set off to climb Fagradalsfjall. I think that's how you pronounce it. That is the live volcano that is currently in Iceland. It's crazy, there's helicopters in the sky filming it, and there's rangers parked in different places along the way. It's 4:30 now. The route I'm following is Trail B. There are 3 trails, A, B and C, of the mountain. I'm following Trail B, and it's supposed to take between 3 and 4 hours, so let's see how it goes. So steep. Oh my god. This better be worth it. Wow. Well, I've made it down. I survived a live volcano. That was such an insane experience. I just can't even really describe it. It was amazing to like feel the occasional bursts of heat as you were getting closer, and then that first sighting of the lava was just crazy. It was so vivid and it was so warm. I feel so incredibly lucky that I got to experience that. There aren't many people in the world who can say that they're sat inside a live volcano. I felt like I was in Lord of the Rings, which made me happy because I'm a big Lord of the Rings fan. It's always awkward when that happens. So, I'm gonna make it back to my van, and there is a campsite nearby in Grindavik, which is the town that I am in. And yeah, just gonna park up and chill. I need to after today. It's been a long day, loads of fun stuff. It's raining. So yeah, see ya. Good night. Well, good morning. It's my last morning here, which I'm really sad about. I think Iceland is sad too because the weather's terrible. I stayed at a campsite in Grindavik last night, which is just this. I nearly fell out. And I've woken up this morning and booked myself into the Blue Lagoon, which I'm so excited about, especially in this horrible weather. I can just chill and enjoy and relax. So I'm off for a spa morning in the Blue Lagoon. What better way to spend your last morning in a rainy, cold Iceland? Cheers. Well, I feel completely chilled, relaxed, rejuvenated. Figured I would just head back to the coast and enjoy my last few hours here before heading to the airport. I found the most perfect spot, and I've just cooked some food and I've had a hot chocolate and I've just watched the sunset, and it's been incredible. It's been so nice. So yeah, I just can't really process everything I've done in the last week. Volcanoes and ice glaciers and giant waterfalls and seals and amazing van experiences and driving down crazy, incredible scenic roads. I can't even process it all. I hope this encourages you or inspires you to go and travel Iceland, and if you do it in a campervan. Honestly, there is so much to see. I mean, it is ideal that it has literally one road that goes around the entire country. And what's nice about having the van is that you can do it at your own pace. You have all of the freedom and you can choose how far you go, how much you see, when you stop. There are so many campsites over here. It's the easiest place to travel in a van. My camper van was from Camp Easy and I cannot recommend them enough. I've had the most incredible experience. The van is just awesome. So definitely check them out if you're planning to go to Iceland. I'm going to put a link in the description to their website. It's just been the most incredible trip, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you for sticking with me through 2 vlogs. I already can't wait to come back. There are so many things I still have yet to see. But yeah, I'm going to finish watching the sunset and then get ready to head to the airport. So if you follow my adventures on Instagram and you follow this whole trip, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye from me and from Iceland. morning. Jesus.
After 300
Helifoss. Helifoss? Hegifoss. Hennifoss? So I've raced, losing my voice. The, what's it called? What's it, the thing? I don't know what I was going to say. What was my point? I had a point. Maybe I didn't have a point. Why am I talking to myself? I'm going insane. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Breathe. Fjädrar Glyffa. Yeah. Seljalandsfoss. Seljalandsfoss. Hold on. I'm just... Oh, that was Big B. Stop looking at me. There's a couple over there smooching their faces off, which is cute and sickening at the same time. Good night. Ah! How was I ever going to do that with my arm in the door? What an idiot. Okay, bye.